I'm going to show you how to do the invisible join. So what we would normally do to join working in round, this is our last stitch, and this is our first stitch of the round. We would normally just do a regular slip stitch, like that, and we would end up with this horizontal bar showing every time we join. And that is not looking very good. What we can do instead is our last stitch and our first stitch. We remove the hook from our working loop. We insert hook from back to front through both loops. Then we are taking our working loop and put it on the hook and draw through. This way we don't have any ugly vertical bars showing, and we can just continue to work our next round. And this is the invisible join.